Well, g'day, welcome back to the new storage shed just outside of the new shop. So I went to an auction the other week and purchased a couple of bits of equipment for the new shop. Here's one first piece here, this power hacksaw. So shortcut 400mm diameter round bar, no problem. And has a just over a 2-foot blade. So that's 700mm between there, so geez, there's no name tags on it. It's very highly quality. It's a high quality saw, power hacksaw. Now I believe this, the maker of this is a Casto, and which is made in Germany. Now the company this came from, most of their pretty well all of their tools, their machine tools, were all predominantly German and European, so I'm pretty 100% certain that this is a Casto. She ain't no Asian built saw, that's for sure, the quality of build that this thing is. We'll get this one in the storage shed and swing you around, have a look at our other purchase. So this other machine here is an ID grinder, so an internal grinder. So this will grind bores of bushes and such like. So this is a German machine made in Berlin. It's a WMW. It'll need a lot of work doing to this to bring this back into good condition, but underneath on the ways on the main table, I can still see the original flaking, so it's worth spending a bit of time on this machine to get it into good condition. Now I did get this at a good price, so that's why I purchased it. So we'll put a chuck on here, and the grinding wheel spindle is here. And here you've got your fine feed to bring your grinding wheel across, and it's full hydraulic controlled machine. There's the coolant through the workhead spindle, so the coolant comes out in the centre of the job. Now I'm not very good on my German, so I'll have to get some of the stuff translated. The focus camera. Berlin. Yeah, so we'll get this one knocked into shape, and she'll be a good addition to the shop when it's up and running. And of course the power hacksaw, which is a quality built bit of gear, that, so that'll be a good saw to support the big lathe when she's up and running. And of course the mill. So we're just dragging the grinder in now. So we've got on a set of machinery moving skates, and just dragging it along with the come along. So there's a little spot just here behind the saw and next to the lathe, so that's as good a place as any for it. Well, a lot of grunting and groaning, and a couple of hours later we managed to get them all in, and we've even got room here for 2 more. I better not say that, the wife will go off her brain. So Yeah, the grinder, the weight of that was 2.5 tonne, and the saw, the weight of that was 1 tonne. So we shifted a bit of iron today, all by hand. So sooner the shed's up, sooner we can start restoring these machines, get them back into working action again.